Welcome to the Week in Review. This is Fed Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and we're reviewing the week of February 26th to March 1st of 2024. So looking at the biggest event of the week, it's Bitcoin exploding to over 63K. But first, looking at the rest of the markets, starting out with the Forex symbols, we saw the Japanese yen weaken versus the US dollar. It's at interest back closer to its all-time record lows, while we saw the Turkish lira make new record lows once again versus the US dollar. Now looking at the indices, the NASDAQ making new record highs, and we saw the Dow Jones bouncing back. When we looked at commodities, gold for the greater part of the week does gain and inching closer to its above resistance of 2046. When we looked at oil, hanging on to its resistance level at $78 a barrel. Now looking at the stocks, it's AMD, JP Morgan, and Amazon that all rally to new record highs, pushing these markets higher. And lastly, look at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin holding on to those gains. Now looking at the upcoming major economic events of this week. So we start out the week on Tuesday, March 5th. First out of Japan, Bank of Japan Governor Ueda will be speaking. And out of the United States, we have an ISM Services PMI number coming out. Now on Wednesday, March 6th, we have from Australia a quarterly GDP number coming out. And from Canada, Bank of Canada rate statement. That's an interest rate decision. And from the United States, Fed Chairman Powell will be speaking and testifying in front of Congress. And also from the United States, that same day, we have a JOLTS job opening number coming out. Now on Thursday, March 7th, out of the European Union, we have a main refinancing rate coming out. That's an interest rate decision. And furthermore, the U.S. Chairman Powell will continue his testimony as a second day in front of Congress. Now, lastly, on Friday, March 8th, out of the United States, we have a non-farm payroll number coming out, and corporate earnings for tech giant Oracle will be coming out as well. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you here next week on The Week in Review.